I am Samreen Noor here to present the final year project candidate recommendation system for HRs based on MBTI personality trait. In traditional recruitment processes, hiring managers often rely on technical skills and past experience, which can overlook an important factor, personality fit. This can lead to lower productivity, mismatched roles, and higher employee turnover. Our solution is a recommendation system that helps HRs find candidates whose MBTI personality types best align with the specific job position. We have trained our system using the synthetic dataset of common corporate and IT sector jobs and their suitable personality traits. The result is a model that can suggest top candidates based on selected job positions using both personality compatibility and required skill sets.
My name is Salwa Khan and I'll walk you through the implementation and impact. We develop a web-based prototype using Python, scikit-learn and Streamlit. It includes two main modules, a personality test module where applicants complete an MBTI test and their results are saved to our database. Number two, a recommendation system where HR can select a job role and filter applicants by MBTI traits. The system ranks candidates based on personality fit and job requirements. We also conducted a need analysis survey with HR professionals and the feedback confirmed that personality-based screening can enhance the hiring process. Yeah. Our future goal is to integrate real-time applicant data and make the system usable in actual recruitment settings, bringing efficiency, better job fit, and smart hiring.